Hi, Cecilia. So you had some questions about your quiz one in your readiness exam that are due on June 6th. Okay, so let me show you where to access those. So if you go to modules, then you are working on, let's see, let's close this. You're working on the readiness unit. All right, so what you need to get done, you have the unit readiness exam, and this is the proctored exam, the one that's done through HonorLock. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to the modules, and first you want to complete the acknowledgement. It's a good idea to read for the preparation to see what the exam entails, but you want to load the acknowledgement and complete that before you actually start the test. So the acknowledgement just tells you some things that you can and cannot do, like where to take the test, the technology that you need to use, how to enter answers, what's allowed, like the calculators that are allowed, and so on. Okay, so you want to do that first and submit the quiz right here. Okay. All right. Then you want to go back to Canvas and click on HonorLock. Okay, so after you completed the acknowledgement, you want to click on HonorLock. All right, and you need to take the unit readiness exam. So that's the one that you need to take. I think you missed the HonorLock practice exam. That's okay. That's not graded. It doesn't count for any part of your grade. It was good to do the exam just to kind of get used to the HonorLock system. But that's not available to you anymore. The deadline is passed. So you need to take the unit readiness exam. So this is due tomorrow night on June 6th. Okay, so you click on HonorLock and then you click on launch, and this is going to launch the proctoring. Okay, so you go through the steps. All right, so I can't do it because I'm not a student. All right, so it's not going to do anything for me. But once you kind of do the authentication process, it will let you access the exam and you can take it and submit it. Okay, so that's the this is the unit readiness exam that you need to take. All right. Now the other thing that you asked me about was quiz one. So quiz one is in the next unit. I noticed that you're already doing a lot of the homework here, so go to unit 1, and all these block 1A's in preparation for quiz 1, all these are lessons and homework. The actual quiz is here. So this is quiz 1. So this is not taking through HonorLock. You're basically going to click on quiz 1 under the modules and load it up, and you're going to do it in MATLAB. But this is not proctored. Okay, you have 15 minutes to complete the assignments. There's 10 questions, and you're going to enter your answers and submit it. All right, so that's it. I think that's all the questions that you asked me. Let me just check my email. All right, so yeah, you have another chance to take quiz 1. I noticed that there are 2 attempts. You already kind of used one, but you can do that second attempt. All right, so yeah, you asked what test should I have taken by on May 30th. So that was the HonorLock practice quiz. Again, that does not affect your grade at all. So don't worry about it too much. All right, cool. Yeah, I think I answered all the questions that you sent me over email. So the other thing that's due this week, I'm not sure if you completed it. It's the personal reflection for your project. So the first personal reflection over here. All right. So you are in a group of students. Right? You should go to, this takes you to like a discussion board. You can see that like a few of your students already submitted in the discussion board, but you need to look at this reflection and complete the requirement, the original requirement, like post a personal reflection of at least 200 words to address the following topics. What are your top 3 personal strengths? Given examples. Name one learning goal that you have for this course, one overall goal for the semester as a student at UTA. Discuss how you achieve these goals. So you're going to write, make sure you write a couple hundred words. So you're going to do it by replying. And then once you submit it, the discussion boards will open up and you'll be able to see your other group mates, the group mates post. There's about 10 people in your group, 8 to 10 people. And you need to reply to at least 2 of your group mates' posts on what they responded. Okay? And then you, as a group, you're going to agree on roles for each group members that you will take over as you complete the project throughout the semester. All right, I hope this is clear. Let me know if there's any more questions that you have for me. All right, you have a nice weekend. Bye.